Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Amazon Prime Video for kids. So visit the website or go to the app and download it and look for the kids section, which features child-friendly content. And for added safety, consider using Amazon Kids. This can set up in your Amazon account settings and allows you to create profiles specifically for children with age-appropriate content. If using Amazon Kids, set up a profile for your child, customizing preferences and viewing limits. Browse through the available shows and movies suitable for kids. Select a title to start watching. Use parental controls to manage what your child can watch. You can set a limit on screen time to restrict access to certain content. Let's turn on the comments of this video. Hope you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.